Hey everyone, this week I've got a couple Jeeps, one old, one new. This new one in my collection is a Jeepster Commando convertible. This is by BOS Models. This is resin, so it does not open. Pretty nice, paint works good. Obviously no window issues when the windows are so flat, common with BOS cars. This was on sale at American Excellence. Retail was $129. I paid about $70 and got free shipping. That price, certainly not mad at it. Car number 38 out of only 252, pretty small run. I think the interior is pretty good. Interesting subject matter. I literally don't think anyone else does this in 1/18 scale. Not much to see with the wheels and tires. Kind of a neat little vehicle. I really don't have many Jeeps. This was a good score. Packaging, typical boring black and gold BOS box. Literally nothing exciting to see. Styro insert. A little more interesting is this Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This is by AutoArt. This is honestly one of my favorite diecasts out of 1,000 cars. This is probably top 10. This has real simulated wood. This would have been AutoArt Millennium, probably around 2003-ish was its release. And I got this brand new in New York City at a store called Exotic, which is no longer with us. And it's just so good. No one else, I mean, LS Collectibles does a Grand Wagoneer, but not with the wood. This is a later one. They made this body style pretty much into the early 90s, like 91, 92-ish, I think. It's just so good. Underhood detail, excellent. All the plumbing and ignition wires. You have the underhood painted, which is nice. You do have dog legs because this was Millennium. This was not, a signature level. Really nice grille detail. All the detail under the carriage. Split folding rear hatch, and look, the rear window goes down. Carpeted trunk. It's a little simulated metal strakes. Very nice. Let's see if I can get the door open. Yep. And the interior is just excellent. The leather reads as leather, not that kind of shiny plastic that AutoArt's doing now. And the crazy thing is retail would have been, I probably paid about $59 for this 16, 17 years ago. These have appreciated quite a bit. If you go on eBay, people want and get $250, $350, $400 for these. Again, this is one of my absolute favorites. It's just so cool. The real wood is just, maybe 5 or 6 cars ever made in 1/18 actually have real wood. So that's like a forever keeper. The only they did make it in a maroon. I think I prefer the white. This is the typical AutoArt Millennium packaging. Enclosed styro box. Box is actually in decent shape. So that's it for this week. I've been a bad boy. I bought maybe 30 plus cars recently because of an auction and some sales. So I have a lot of new stuff coming. Please stay tuned. We're getting due. I think I'm going to be hitting 1,000 cars officially. So I think we'll do a semi-annual full collection video real soon. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.